In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the Proton VPN, which is available on Google Play Store and App Store. Yeah, one of the most popular and the most used mobile VPNs on the internet now. So when you download the app, just launch it and you can see if you want to create an account, you tap on sign in. If you just want to use it without any account, tap on continue as a guest. That's what you're going to do. Good. And on here, we don't want to select any plan, just not now. Good. And this is how it looks like. The interface looks like. Yeah, you can connect. If you want to, they have free connections, but not that strong. I think it's good to go with the pro version. But then this is one of the most, popular and the most used VPN on the internet. So fastest server, free servers, and the rest. So now let's come to countries. You see the bottom? Yeah, you see countries there beside the home. Yeah. So you need to get access to these countries if you're on the pro version. If you're not on pro version, you can get access to all these countries or servers. Yeah, it's up to you. Plus countries, there's 148. Yes, like I said, over 148 countries. Good. So now I tap on the settings at the bottom right. Good. Since we don't have an account, we just have to glance through like this. But this is how it looks like when you create your account. So now let's switch to a light theme so you can see it well. Since I'll be on the settings and I'm doing 1, 2, 3 things. Good. So these are some features. You can turn them on and off. Split tunneling, that's for couple apps. And kill switch, up to you. Net shield, up to you. Connections, connection preferences, you can just tap on that. Default connection, that's you connect to a free fast server immediately. And advanced settings, you can do that here. LAN connections and all that, IP4 and all, is up to you. Good. And then the general, this is the most basic thing. That's your notifications, your theme, your app icon and all that. You can add a widget on your phone screen. Yes, so you just tap on connect and you connect. There's nothing special, nothing difficult, sorry. And also you can contact them with the support center. Just tap on that, they will redirect you to their website. Yes, and then you send them any email you want to send them. So and then we report an issue here at the bottom, so you can tap on that and then you report it and you're good to go. Yeah, so that's it on the Proton. So they have Proton Mail, Proton VPN and the rest there. So let me tap on connect to see. Good. So I tap on OK and we finally connect to a free location. I don't want any notifications. Good. I don't want to rate them as well. Yeah, and that's it. So the net shield is going to block ads and trackers and all that from malware websites. So that's it on how to use the Proton VPN. I think I've talked about everything. You can create an account if you want good access and good connections. You can create an account, but then for now you continue as a guest. And this is how the interface and everything look like. So if you have any question, you can let me know. And also, if you want a couple free VPNs, I have them reviewed on my channel. You can check them on the playlist. That's it once again. Peace.